connected.
What's up, YouTube? It's dafobra. It's been a minute, huh? Well, winter happened, life happens, and things get in the way. And that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. I gotta be honest with you. You know, I've been riding a motorcycle now for just about 10 years, I think. And, you know, I never ever thought it could be something you grow out of. Although you always see those ads, you know, people have kind of stopped riding, selling their bike, whatever. And I figured, well, how could anybody get sick of motorcycling? Now, I gotta be honest with you. Last year, I actually put this bike up for sale. And before you get all crazy, I want to explain what I'm talking about. I put it up for sale, but I threw it on Facebook Marketplace, and nothing major. Didn't really advertise it, wasn't really proactive about it, and it didn't sell. But it's one of those things where it was for sale. If you knew it was for sale, you kind of had to come to my house, open up the garage and go, hey, you want to sell that? So I wasn't actively selling it, but I felt like, I don't know, I felt like the time had come to quit riding for a while. Now, thankfully I didn't, and all I have to do is kind of get on this bike and realize how much I really, really enjoy it, to know that I shouldn't be selling it. So, yeah, I mean, obviously it didn't go anywhere, and like I said, I'm really glad it didn't, because I do love riding this motorcycle, and I really, I mean, it would suck to not have it. Let's just suffice it to say that. So it is a decent day here, still winter, but I wanted to take it out, because it has been sitting probably about 2 weeks. I did take it out about 2 weeks ago on a short ride. I'm not doing anything monumental today. I just want to stretch its legs. So, yeah. I kind of, going through that experience, I kind of understand why people sell motorcycles. I mean, for me, it's not really financial. I mean, honestly, I sell this motorcycle. It's not really going to change my life significantly. So it's not like I have to sell it to you know, to sustain my family or something. Although, you know, the money would be nice, but it would be swallowed up by something else relatively quickly. But it was more about, first of all, there's the danger, the risk. And for those of you who don't know, I think the majority of the people here know, but in 2014, I was in a pretty serious motorcycle accident because of a careless driver. And since that time, I'm still not totally over it, I'll be honest with you. Mentally, I still second guess things and things like that, but it was pretty gnarly. Kind of almost lost use of my arm, and yeah, it's kind of scared the crap out of me, and it shook my world a little bit. You know, I have a family and responsibilities, so there's that. There's also the fact of who has time. You know, when you have other responsibilities, it does take a decent amount of time out of your day. And riding time is at a premium, whether it's, you know, that's why I try to do the work commute thing, because it doesn't really interfere with my life. But, you know, going out on the weekends with my boys, you know, that's great and all, but it takes away from family time, and that's another thing. And then you say, you know, if this thing's just going to sit in the garage, you might as well sell it. And I think that's what a lot of people go through. So my question is, have you ever thought of selling your motorcycle? Have you ever thought of taking a break from riding? And were you ever able to come back? Because you hear some people that take a 1-year break, and then you hear people who took a 20-year break, and some people just never get back into it. I mean, the amount of people I've spoken to about who have said, I used to ride, blah, 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 but I don't anymore. I don't know. Like I said, I never understood it, but now I get it. Having said that, you know, I hope I don't sell this bike. I hope I don't have to. I mean, if you have to, that's a totally different story. I'm lucky I have a nice garage where I could sit and rest. The insurance isn't a tremendous amount of money. She's paid for, so I don't have to make any payments on her. But, I don't know, like I said, have you ever thought about getting out of bikes? And if you're out, are you still thinking about getting back in? Or is it kind of a pipe dream? I don't know. So, that's kind of my topic for today. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to have a topic, because quite honestly I missed vlogging. I really did, and a couple of people have reached out to me and said, you know, they missed the videos, and they said you got to get back into it and whatnot. So here I am. I'm also trying out a brand new mic. I had a Sony bi-directional mic, I think it was, and now I'm trying the Purple Panda. Seems to be highly recommended by a lot of moto vloggers, so I'm hoping this comes out halfway decent. Hopefully it's not overmodulated. This is the first official test, so if it's halfway decent, you know what, you might be actually watching a dafobra moto vlog for a change. And for 2020 I'm really going to make an effort to document some real boys right there. Is that BK Low? Is that, I don't know, BX Polymath? They probably know them. But yeah, I appreciate the encouraging words from people and checking in on me and stuff. I've been pretty active on Instagram. I hope you follow me on Instagram. I'll put a little thing up there. I don't know why I needed that sound effect, but you know, it's a low budget around here, you know what I mean? We don't have a lot of money for sound effects, so. And like I said, for 2020 I'm going to try and be more active. I'm going to try and make more videos and share some experiences, and kind of reach back out to the community, because there are a lot of good people out there, and I'm finding more and more people. And I got to tell you, I went to the Javits Center. I'm kind of rambling here, I apologize. I kind of went to the Javits Center for the motorcycle show in December, and let me tell you, I had the best time. Not because of the motorcycles, but because I was able to reconnect with a lot of people out there. Some are friends who I've known, and some are people who I've never been able to connect with, and that kind of reinforced to me, like, I miss it. So look for more content from me. I mean, I will be continuing with the tech videos and stuff, but I'm hoping to throw a couple of moto vlogs in here. And if you enjoyed this moto vlog, do me a favor, smash that like button, right? I wish this guy would smash his gas pedal. What is going on here? And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe and give that bell a little jingle so you know when the latest stuff comes out, and you can be part of the conversation. So that's all I got right now. So thank you so much for watching, and I have really missed you guys. I really have, and gals. So I hope you're able to steal a ride here and there, because spring is on the way, days are getting longer, and daylight savings time is just around the corner. All right, ride safe, everybody. I'll see ya.